Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's day is going to be based on how to cut a cap, not a turban this time around. It's a cap that you can wear on different occasions. So I'm going to start with the cutting now. So by the time you have finished watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So now I'm going to cut this exact measurement out. I've already cut this already, you can see. So I'm going to place on it to cut the, I'll show you the measurement that I made on this before. So here is my tape rule. This is the wideness of the cap. Here is the wideness, and this is the deepness of the cap, which is the longness. So the exact measurement for the roundness of the head here is 11. So I'm going to make a one. That's why I'm putting 2 inches allowance, the elastic cover that I'm going to put. So I told you this is the wideness and this is the deepness. Using this exact measurement, I folded it into 2. You can see this is into 2. So I'll cut it now. So here is it. You can see this is into 2. So it remains the 2 inches band that is going to have at the front here. So this is the 2 inches. If I take the measurements now, is 5 inches. So with the half inches allowance, that will be seam allowance or sewing allowance. So it will be here. When you round it like this, by the time you open it, you tape it with it like this. So this will be the front side. So it has a bow at the side. So I'm going to cut out the bow now for you to see. So I cut this inches out. So this one is going to stay at the side like a cross like this. So I'll firstly fold it into 2. I'll tape it like this first. So after taping it, I'll stitch this particular place, then I will now turn it. So after turning it, then I'll fold it into 2 like this. So the same thing applicable to the second one also. Then this one will stay at the middle. Like I will make this one like a bow that's going to stay. I'll show you the way I'm going to do it now. So let me go and tape these particular ones first. Welcome back. Here is finishing so far. You can see the way I turn it, then I iron it like this. You can see the second one, and this is the one that is going to stay at the middle. So this is the one that is going to stay at the middle like a bow. Let me show you how exactly you're going to paste it. So this is what I'm talking about. You can see I've stitched all these places like it. You pick the first one, you put it across the second one like this, then you put this particular one at the middle like a bow. So you're going to stitch all this particular place like this. You can see the way I stitch it so that they will stick together. You can see it. You stitch here, stitch here, stitch here, stitch here. Then you put this particular one at the middle like a bow like this. Then you stitch also. Before you now place it, on your cap. You can see this is the cap, this is the taping that I told you. It's a satin material, so I put an elastic cover so it will be expanding. You can see it. So this is the cap. Then you put the one you've already stitched like this at the side like this. Then you put your flower. So let me show you the one I've already done. If you check this out, I've already stitched it. Just for me to put my flower with a magic gum like this, and the cap is ready to wear. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.